Now you all realize that going into this year's Olympic Games in Paris, Jamaica will not be the favorite for the 100 meters for either the men or the women for the first time in about 4 Olympic cycles. As much as we love and respect Shelley and Fraser Price, Elaine Thompson-Hera, Shericka Jackson, and all the youngsters waiting in the wings, the American Sha'Carri Richardson must be the hot favorite to add her first Olympic title to the silverware she won in Budapest. Having gotten over that physical and psychological hump of winning that first global title, Richardson, with youth on her side, with natural progression and improvements expected, Sha'Carri must be the clear favorite for the Olympic 100 meters gold, no matter what she does in the build-up to the Olympics, as long as she stays healthy. What will be super interesting, though, is to see how Sha'Carri copes with the new pressure of favoritism heading into the global battlefield called the Olympic Games.